Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a big day it is for us today. We've seen the markets recover, make some money again. I was able to get in and buy some dips, and now we've got our biggest ever cash giveaway coming up tomorrow. This time tomorrow, we'll be giving away a $1,000 minimum value prize, $125 in cash, and 15 hours of one-on-one training to learn how to read charts and all that. That's why the studio's green today. We're making money and we're sharing it with you. What a great day. I'm excited for tomorrow. I've just posted some more opportunities to win the competition, so go and check it out right now. There's just a new one just been added. Okay, let's get straight into our show this afternoon. The Roth IRA, it's gone back up again, it's turned green, and so is my main portfolio. And if we look, we are just $30 away from an all-time high. Virgin Galactic started to come back up again, but it didn't really go low enough for me to buy it. It's still very, very weak at the moment. All right, still very weak. Let's go into our trading positions and see where we are. Let's go through everything. All right, here we go. Let's see how this is all going now. Let me just check a couple of things. We're all good. Okay. We're up to date. Just slightly. All green. Looking good. The S&P is going up as well. I bought a share of the S&P on my Roth. This is a trading share. The idea of this is I don't mind owning it. I earn a dividend. It's solid. It's reliable. I can make money from it. The idea is every time it drops, buy 1 or 2 or 3, depending how much it drops by. If it pops up and makes me a profit, sell part of it. So I'm always making money trading the S&P. When I make money from my growth stocks, that's how I do it. I made money from Virgin Galactic and Hood yesterday. I made $300, which basically paid 3/4 of this stock for me. And now I bought it, and if it can go up now, sort of 2 or 3%, whatever. In fact, it doesn't even need to do that much, does it? Because it's $378, so it's only got to go up 0.5%, and I make a few quid, and I can sell it and do it again. But each time I'll sell less. So the idea is to keep acquiring more. If you just keep buying and selling it, you're just in and out all the time, and that's not what I want to do. I want to build up with the profit more and more of the stock. Okay. That's that there. Virgin Galactic, you see, it started to look like, oh, I'll buy a bit. No, it's very, very weak, being scalp traded. We're all playing on the same thing. So I'm not, I mean, I'm up on it. It's great. I'm up 6.8. Sorry, I'm in the wrong account. Brokerage, here we go. I'm up 0.19. I'm not selling my long-term position, but it wasn't cheap enough to buy it in my S&P. In my Roth IRA, sorry. Mullen's gone straight back down again. I quadrupled my position yesterday. Good afternoon, Crag. Welcome to the show. Lovely to see you. How are you this afternoon? It's brilliant to see you. Gold. I'm looking to buy some more gold today. I've got plenty of money on hand. $1,400 in my Roth IRA. If gold chops down a little bit, I will double or triple my position and start to build it up. Okay, Rivian. Let's have a look. 15% down now. It did actually do quite well last night. The earnings was good, but they're still losing money. So it popped on the earnings, a way to take some profits. But and I did. I sold it, and now I'm looking to buy it back, but not yet. I don't think it's the right time to buy it yet. Not really. I think it's another $1 at least away. Tesla doing nicely. Very, very good. I'm only down $40 now. Nearly bought one this morning. Decided not to. Lucid, Apple, up and down a little bit. Amazon had a great day. Amazon is firing away, and it's all down to CPI, apparently. Reading all the reports, CPI, Amazon stock likes the CPI, Consumer Price Index out today. Amazon's up 2.44, 12.89 now. Very, very nice indeed. Good, I like it. McDonald's, still too expensive. I keep trying to buy it, still too expensive. Coca-Cola, up today, 0.36. J&J, nice little dip, but not really enough. Down 1.32. Not really. Well, it is good. It is good to buy that and then trade that. However, it's a big enough part of my portfolio, so I'm not really looking to add any more at the moment. If it rallied and gave me a decent profit, then I'd trim off the top and then I'd buy some more back on the dips, but not just yet. Okay, now we've just released a competition a few moments ago on our competition page. Let me see if anyone's done it yet. No, it literally just come out. It's our final video for the competition, and you can leave a comment and a like, and you can get extra tickets for the competition tomorrow. Good mate, new trading strategy from yesterday, starting to trim off, take profit on everything worthwhile. 2 good days with Rumble. Brilliant. Nice one, Craig. Hopefully buy back again in the morning. If you're making money, mate, you're making money. It doesn't matter, does it? You know, you don't buy stock because you love it or it loves you or whatever. You're just there to make money. I mean, it's called an investment for a reason, right? It's kind of, you know, obvious, isn't it? We get too attached sometimes. Google's had a great run. Of course, Google will do well when other businesses do well. That's the whole point. Tesco, Next Era Energy, Enphase, down 1%. Not really there yet. Bitcoin, 26.9 now, down 2%. Going down to 15. We've been saying it for a while. It's just starting. It may go up again to 30, but ultimately that's where it's going. Tilray, awful day, 9.64. No good news today. Absolutely bloody rubbish. Down 9% today. I'm not buying any more. I'm not really having any faith with this stock. It's just a scalp trading stock, quite honestly. Robinhood gave me an opportunity to buy back at 9.19. It was nearly a buy. At $9 I would have bought it. But no, I'm out of the stock at the moment. SoFi, good, but I'm not in it at the moment. IonQ, of course, we are reporting on it tonight. We are covering the after hours earnings. IonQ, if you want to be there for IonQ tonight, straight after the earnings, and it is straight after the earnings, this one. It's an early one. It's one of those half an hour after the bell situations. It's an early one. So there you go. There is the earnings tonight for IonQ. Okay, there you go. There's a little update of what's going on. We're ready for IonQ earnings. Brilliant. So how is everybody this afternoon? We've got a very quiet start. Let me just check. Is this mic on? Let's have a little look. No, everyone's here. It's a little bit quiet this afternoon. A little bit down in numbers, but we're not doing too bad. Let's welcome our guests on Rumble. Maybe everyone's over there today. Right. There we go. Rumble's looking good. All right. I hope Virgin Galactic goes to 382 so I can buy more. It could go way below there. It could definitely do that. But be very, very careful when you're buying it. Virgin Galactic 4 now. I'm not touching it yet. Arnold De Palma, hello. How are you? How are you? All right. I've just released a new video for our competition giveaway tomorrow. It's our last video. I'm not going to release any more videos now for the competition. This is the last one. So if you want to go and comment and like it, you can. I've just put it out. And here is the competition page. Let me share with you on the screen. Here it is. And 2,911 tickets given away. Just over 40 people. Let's refresh it. I don't think anyone would have done it that quick. No, it literally just come out. But if you scroll to the bottom, there is a new one. And it gives a special number of tickets, but you need to do 5 actions to be able to open that box. And this is a really, see, look, 5 actions to open the box, and then you get some magic tickets, a really good number of tickets in there. And leave the precise comment on the competition. I can't open it, look, because I haven't done 5 actions. It won't let me. All right, there you go. Okay, fantastic. Welcome, everybody. Now then, if you've been away, you'll know we've got a new feature on the show. It was suggested by Sensei. If you want to do a tip or a super chat or highlight your name and get a nice animation, you can in a brand new way today without any middleman, without anything taken out, and it's a bit of fun. Here it comes on the screen right now. It's called martynlucas.com/tip. It's the crypto tip. So you can tip a crypto. At the moment, there's only 3: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. There will be more available once I can earn some money to unlock the pro version, and then it will be everything on Coinbase. And what it does is you don't have to sign up or do anything. What it does is it shows you my QR code for any one of the assets on Coinbase. Very exciting. We did it this morning with Ali. I had a lot of fun with it. Anyway, there you go. That's how you tip on using crypto. Very, very cool. Anyway, we've got a brand new newsletter going out on Sunday as well. You might want to get that. It's a brand new newsletter. If you've not yet signed up for the newsletter, here is the newsletter page. It's been gone for 2 weeks because of an update. They took it away and now it's back. So it's on the all links page for the email for the newsletter. Here is the link, martynlucas.com/links. There you go. It's the links page, and there is the newsletter sign up there. All right. Don't need your name. Don't need anything at all. Just put your email in there, and you will receive the email. Now, if you scroll down the links page, you will say just added today. Just added today are I've not refreshed this. Let me refresh this. There you go. Thought so. Martyn Lucas Rumble and Martyn Lucas Investor Rumble. There are our links for our Rumble account. We're trying to get to 100 by tomorrow. Very exciting. All right. Okay. Let's see if we can get there by tomorrow. Trying to get to 100 within 2 weeks, which is tomorrow. Gold is presenting a nice opportunity today. A little bit of a discount. Rivian. Tesla doing well. Lucid. No. Apple. Amazon. What a day that is for Amazon. I'm up $700 now, 12.9%. It seems very quiet today in the show. What's going on? I'll win, says Arnold the Palmer. Well, anyone can win. You can win with one ticket, or the more you've got, the more chances you have, of course. I don't know how many tickets you've got. I don't look at it. It does it all for me. Right, if you've just tuned in this afternoon, please subscribe and ring the bell. Tap the like button. It really helps the channel as well. We've got 17 watching and 10 likes. I wonder where everybody is. I think... Mohammed, we know, mate. Isn't it a terrible day for Tilray today? We've been watching it. Awful. Tilray down 9.64. Absolutely terrible, Mohammed. What's going on with Tilray? No one's making any money on this today at all. People are piling it into big tech. They're taking their money out of this stuff. That's what's going on. Arnold, I think I agree with you there. But yeah, it's come out of Tilray, no question about it. Nothing left in it. It's a penny stock now. Robinhood. I am here, Eric B. There he is. Eric, did you see the new competition opportunity on that video? Is that what you were just doing? Mike's here as well. Congress keeps playing around. I am mad. I bet you are, mate. But it's no surprise, really. These things, when they involve the government, have no controllability over them, no predictability, and no certainty whatsoever. And time has no time. It just can go on forever, can go on for years, can go on forever. They have got no incentive whatsoever or interest to push this through. We could be stuck in legislation in red tape for years. Yes, just did it. Okay, let me have a look. Let me see if you did it. I've just entered a new, the final one. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. I saw you did the right comment. As long as you watched it all the way through and liked it, it'll be included. So well done to you. And it takes away the tickets. At the end of the day, it verifies everything. So if actions haven't been completed, it takes them away. And if people got a false email or a false name, or they've used different emails for the same name to try and compete, that deletes you for doing that. It's there to protect everybody. Right, let's have a look. I gave a lot of tickets away as well. Let's have a quick look, shall we? 2,911, 3,011. There you go. That's 100 tickets just gone there. Brilliant. That's Mike and Eric. Very, very good indeed. It's exciting. I can't wait for it tomorrow. Actually, it's our biggest ever giveaway. I am here just getting some work done. Very nice, Nits, listening in the background. Excellent stuff. Did you just see our latest competition video? Hi all, Sensei here. Here he is, Sensei. Here's the IonQ earnings. It's going to be very early tonight. We're going to end right on the bell because it is literally straight after. Normally of an hour break. This is going to be straight away. I've got to restart the stream within minutes. So there you go. Jump into IonQ for the earnings. We've just put out another competition video. It's worth 50 tickets. We just entered it a few moments ago. If you've not had a chance, let me refresh the screen and you can go and see what I just put out a few seconds ago. It literally premiered literally 5 minutes ago. IonQ, and so did this one here. There you go. There it is. There it is. Hey, hang on a minute. Why is that low resolution? That's a bit odd. I'll check that in a minute. That shouldn't come through. Oh, you can't see it. That shouldn't come through like that. I'll check that in a minute. That thumbnail shouldn't be like that. Anyway, there you go. That just came out a few moments ago. If you've not yet watched it, I'll give you the link right now, and you can watch it right now. Let me just check that thumbnail's good. Oh yeah, the thumbnail's fine. Sometimes the resolution doesn't update. That's interesting. Anyway, here is our last competition video. There will not be any more. Okay? I think you've worked hard enough. All right? I'm not going to release any more until I decide to release some more. No, I'm not. I'm not. This is the last one. That's the point. That's the final one. So it says there's a competition giving 50 bucks or 50 tickets away. If you like all the way through, leave the correct comment and leave a like, and you'll be golden. All right. Okay. Let's go over to our main positions. Let's have a little look at where we are this afternoon, getting ready for IonQ. Are you buying IonQ? I've just under 500 to buy, looking for some steals. Virgin Galactic was a little bit interesting, but it's not enough now. It's very weak at the moment. We've also got IonQ's earnings tonight, so look out for that one. Google's very expensive now. McDonald's is getting a bit better. Tilray is on the floor again. If you want to buy Tilray, it's all-time lows again. I don't know if you're interested in that now. Tilray's an opportunity. You know, debatable. But anyway, there we go. I need to try and take some profits from it. I've been a bit too forgiving, I think, with Tilray. Anyway, this is our overall position. Now you can see, look, I've got 1,473 bucks in cash, looking for some dips. There's not really anything at the moment presenting itself at a good level. I've got plenty of things that are up. Our all-time high is 54,600. I'm deep on Tilray. Yeah, me too. I've got 1,200 bucks in Tilray. That's a lot. I've got some really sound companies that don't have that much. I mean, that's more than I have on Google, for God's sake. I mean, seriously, why do I have more Tilray than I have Google? That's a bit ridiculous, but there we go. This is how it can go sometimes, but There it is. But I'm holding that position there. If we have a quick scroll down, we can see what's... In fact, I'll show you the heat map. Let's look at the heat map today. Remember, this is 15 minutes behind. It's all about Amazon and Google. It's all about the big tech today, no question about it. Google is doing really well, obviously, because, you know, are we coming into a bull market? Businesses will start investing, so they'll be spending money on ads. That's why Google's doing so well. Amazon's doing well because of CPI. That's the general feeling behind it. So Amazon and Google, I've got a big position on Amazon, so my portfolio is doing well. I've got a small position on Google, and of course, I'm very, very heavy on the S&P, which is heavy on Amazon as well. Not as heavy as Apple, of course, but nevertheless. So that's why that's looking the way it is. Let's have a quick look on our crypto. We can see today's down a little bit, but we're still up. Today, overall, remember, we've only invested $500. So, you know, we're up $67 out of 500. So we're still doing well. You know, what is that, over like 15% of what we've invested, because we haven't invested the other 500. The other 500 is earning 4% on uninvested cash, USDC. So we're staking it. So that's how we're doing that. Anyway, back to here a minute. We're getting ready for IonQ earnings. It's funny, I have to look at my phone so it unlocks again. Anyway, let's go through all our positions and let's see what's coming up. Thanks for those of you that have just watched the video and the comments. Brilliant. It's going through our system now to verify your positions. Let's have a quick look and see how far away we are now from our target of 100 followers in 2 weeks. We're 84 now. Fantastic. 84 on Rumble. And really good. 84 in just under 2 weeks. 2 weeks tomorrow. So it's exciting, really. There you go. I'm growing much faster there, which is kind of obvious than I did on YouTube, because obviously now I've got an audience who are supporting me. Kind of obvious, really. We were running a poll earlier on today. Let's have a little look. Yes, we're running a poll on Twitter, and there are some surprise tickets for this, and I'm amazed that no one's picked it up yet. It's a little poll here, and the question I'm asking you on Twitter is, on May the 12th, tomorrow, we're giving away 1,125 value prize, 125 in cash. Have you entered yet? And I've only got one vote, and that is no. We got, I think it's 44 people, something like that, have entered. So I don't know who's the one person who's gone no. And where's everybody who's in it? How come they've not voted yes? I don't believe it. I can't believe it. What's going on? Anyway, I reinvested in Tilray. Did you? You've gone all in then. It's do or die time, right? You decided, sod it, I'm gonna go all in. Well, I wish you the very best. I've got $1,200. Martin's gone cold on Tilray. Wouldn't say I've gone cold on it, but the thing is, you have to remember the company can't control the government. There's nothing they can do about that. That is what it's all about. There's no evidence to say it's going to ever get passed. I mean, we can sit and believe because Europe's got it and Germany's got it. You know, we can all sit here and go, well, they're bound to do it. American government does what the American government wants in its own time, and it may or may not, you know, might take ages, might take years. And then, of course, can the company last? Well, it's got plenty of money on hand. It's not running out of money or anything, but it's not ideal, is it? It's not ideal. Anyway, I reinvested in Tilray today. Good luck to you, MSK. Long IonQ had a major run up this week. Hopefully earnings aren't early priced in. I'd be very careful with Tilray. Well, indeed, I'm not buying anymore. This is why I'm not buying it. No, there it goes again. As I talk about it, it's being dumped. Look at that. What you could do is buy it now double your position, lower from 4% down to 2% down. That's basically what I would do if I put $500 in. If it then goes up from here, I could then sell 2% up. So that's the way to work your way out of the stock. But do I want to do that? And I'm not 100% convinced it's all going to go well in the time that we're expecting it to go well. And remember, this is all about, it's not about whether they'll do it or not. It's about during this period, my money could have been making more money somewhere else. So if I basically took my money out, $1,200, I'd be earning 4% on uninvested cash, 4.65 with no risk whatsoever. So, you know, or I could put it on the S&P, which averages 15% a year, plus, you know, with the dividend being reinvested, and even if it goes to $40, if it takes 20 years to get there, I mean, I might as well have been in the S&P the entire time. So it's worth noting that. IonQ, we are covering the earnings. Here's IonQ. I think Let's Go has got a very good point. I think we've had a massive run up. Whenever you get that, it does throw a few alarm bells up. However, I like that it's steady growth. That's not bad though, is it? Since May 2nd, it's been rising equally. It's not up and down, being scalped. It's just constantly being reinvested, constantly being bought. That's a positive for the stock. But I don't know. The company's a good company. It's a very strong company. Are we going to see tonight it turn profitable for the first time? That would be kind of good. Anyway, we'll know in half an hour. We'll know. Literally in half an hour, we'll know. It's a very small position for me. It won't really affect me either way. Anyway, that was me, says LOL. What was you? What did you do? Based nits. What's going on? Sod it. I remortgaged my 2 properties and put all it on Tilray with no risk management in place. I took Mohammed's advice. You didn't remortgage your 2 houses. What are you talking about? You remortgaged your 2 houses? What are you on about? I don't believe it. I trimmed off when it went up, so time to start adding again. Crag, you did it perfectly, mate. I nearly did it myself. I'm at the point now, I'm making profits wherever I can. You know, I don't care about what I miss. I just care about what I make. You know, and if you keep making profits, who cares if you miss it out? You know, who cares? Add more on the way down, Martin. When goes up, trim off. So making money and holding your moon bag if legislation goes through. Add more on the way down. When it goes up, trim off. So making money. I mean, that is an option. You're absolutely. That's what I just said. I just think. I mean. All right, we're nearly at an we're at an all-time low again now. Look, 8, 3. I mean, it's been going pretty much sideways for a year. From May last year, $3. It's around that all the time. So you could say it's been for a year now. It's been going around the $3. This is the floor. All right, I'm convinced. I've convinced myself. Tilray Brands. Buy. Limit order. 246. There you go. There you go. Can you see what I just did there? Did you see it? Did you see what I just did? I'm now down 2.8. I'm down $30. Can you see that? I just bought, my average now is 250. Bought 431. All right. You convinced me. Wow, MSK, good luck. It's all because of the AI hype, ETORO. Hey Martin, what's the matter, mate? What's the matter? Nothing's the matter. What's good? It's all good. What's up, crap? Eventually your shares will become free or cheaper. Yeah, Mike, I am joking. Of course he's joking. That's what I said. He's mortgaged both his houses. Come on, Mike. Bloody hell, Mike. Here she is. Paddy, how you doing? Hey, Ale. Lovely to see you. Hi, all. Deep in the money. Hi, Ale. Hi, everyone. Howdy, Ale. Happy you're okay. Hello, hello, hello. I'm trying to get through all the hellos. It's just getting ridiculous. Didn't look too convincing. Ha ha. Been on the hiatus, but it's a nice to be back. Great to have you deep in the money. We've grown a lot since you've been gone, mate. It hit 218, so could go a bit lower yet, Martin. When did it hit 218? When did it hit 218? Oh yeah, there it was, yeah. Yeah, you're right. I was looking at there. Yeah, it did, yeah. 219, 218. You're dead right. 218's the all-time low, isn't it? Yeah. All good. Nothing wrong with a lotto ticket. All right. Okay. There you go. So what we'll do now is if we get it up to, if we can get up 3 or 4%, I'll trim off the top. Definitely. And it's good to do it today because I'll be able to trade it tomorrow. It won't count as a day trade. It'll be a swing trade tomorrow. Let's see if we can get 250, I don't know, 270 tomorrow and take some money off the top. Then you've got a lower average and, whatever. Okay. What was I going to say? We got half an hour to go, and we've got IonQ earnings coming up right at the end of the show. Here is the IonQ earnings. That's me live right now, looking at myself. Can you believe it? I'm looking at myself. Here it is IonQ's earnings. This is happening in half an hour from now. There is IonQ's earnings. If you want to be the first person to be involved there, you can. S&P, Virgin Galactic, all going back down again. Mullen, sideways all day long. I'm like baffled. Why is nobody commenting that they're in the competition? What is wrong with you? We're giving away $125 in cash tomorrow, and we're giving away 15 hours of one-on-one training. And I'm running a poll here, which I might be giving away. I might be giving away some secret tickets, and only 2 people have entered it. That's like really weird. There is the poll. Have you entered yes or no? It's a simple question. It's not hard. Right. Anyway, for those of you who've been away, a couple of things to tell you. We've got a brand new newsletter coming out on Sunday. Here is the sign-up page for the newsletter, martynlucas.com/links. There it is. This is what it looks like. Make sure that you verify the email. All you got to do is put your email in there and say, I agree to the policies. And the policies are, I will never use your emails. It will send you an email, and then you just got to click confirm. Once you've done that, you will be in. Come on, everyone, get your tickets. Thank you, Deep in the Money. So there is a newsletter. It's a brand new newsletter. Comes out on a brand new design. Comes out on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. Here's the competition page. There it is. There's the competition. Biggest ever giveaway. It happens in the morning. We're very excited about it. It's biggest ever giveaway. We've just added a massive number of tickets, a special treat if you unlock 5 actions. Go and check it out. Turn all your opportunities to ticks. If they're numbers, you haven't done them. We've added one right down the bottom. Comment on this latest video. You've got to watch it all the way through. Leave a like. And that's the video I just posted a few moments ago. It's the last one. There will be no more after that. Let's see if we've had anybody else do it. 3,011 tickets. 3,061. That means someone's just claimed their 50 tickets for leaving the comment and liking it. Make sure that you watched all the way through. Otherwise, it will unvalidate it at the end of the day when it goes through and audits it all. That's what I meant to say. Best giveaway. Come on, everyone, get your tickets. Brilliant. Excellent stuff. And we're having some fun here. Look, see on the screen now, crypto tip, martynlucas.com/tip. If you want an animation on the screen, if you want to give me a super chat and tip the show, you can without any middleman fees from YouTube or whatever. You don't have to sign up. You don't have to do anything. It's just on that website, martynlucas.com/tip. What it does, you click on it, and it gives you my QR code. And when you use a Coinbase asset, doesn't matter what it is, you'll see what happens. It's quite cool. Anyway, Ali did it this morning for the first time. It's all part of our new crypto season we're looking forward to. Anyway, it's a way to tip the show if you want to do it without any fees. People were asking about it. Gold. Gold is tempting me. Tilray. Is Tilray trying to come up? I thought it was for a minute. Is Tilray coming up? Shall we have a look at the chart? Is it oversold? It's massively oversold. Let me go here, look. Massively oversold. Look at that. That is in the extreme oversold territory. This is the range here. Anything above here is overbought. Anything below here is oversold. And it is dramatically oversold. Hey, Eric B. Look at that, see? There you go. See, Eric B donated $1.99 on Bitcoin, the digital gold. Eric B. Excellent stuff. Thanks, Eric B. That was brilliant. That was ace. See how that works? Look, I need to do a celebration. Thank you for that super chat, mate. Hang on. Where's me celebration? Oh, here it is. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I sent you a crypto tip at 224. It is still pending. It just came up. It just came up on the screen. Did you see it? It depends which asset you use. If you use Litecoin, it's instant with no fees or gas fees or anything. Ali did it this morning and he said it cost him 0.000000001 cent to send it. And he said it was within 5 minutes. When I announced it, he said I sent it 5 minutes ago. So there you go. All right, brilliant. Eric B, thanks for that, mate. Very, very good. Would you like a request now? Would you like a request? Now you've given me a chip, you need to have a request. You need a song later, right? Virgin Galactic, Mullen, Gold, Tilray. It's going sideways now. Let's have a look at IonQ. Just trimming off. What's it going to do now? The earnings will be out any minute on the bell, I would imagine, because, in fact, it could be out now, actually, because their earnings call is in less than an hour. Yeah, not yet. It says after hours. Yeah, they're going to release it on the bell, I would imagine. They're going to release it on the bell. We shall see. We shall see how it goes. All right. Okay. So let me go and check. I can see. This is what it shows me. I know you're interested, Eric, after you just did that. This is what it shows me. Look, see, look. There was, that was the tip from Ali this morning. Look, see. This is Ali's Sensei, the first of many. See that, look? And if I refresh that, it should show you. It goes, and it should come up, look, any second now, look, we should see something on the screen. Thinking about it. There you go, see? Look at that. Isn't it clever? It's very clever. It's very clever indeed. Very clever indeed. I should give you extra points for that. I just can't, can I? There's no way I can, because that would be not very good of me. You can't buy tickets. You can't buy to win a competition. That's not good. It's not good. All right, we've got 20 minutes to go. Very, very exciting stuff. Oh, dear me. Here's Bill. Here's Bill with his app. We've missed Bill. He's been gone for days. I don't know where he's been. Bill, we got our big giveaway tomorrow. That is cool. It's very cool, isn't it? It's very, very cool. And it enables people to have some fun on the show. We're going to build in some more integration. Like you can ask for certain requests or do certain things. I don't know what it might be. But the point is, you can do it securely, safely, without any cost. It's brilliant. It is the future. It's obviously what it's all about. Giving one ticket. I know. I can't. I have no control over it. There's no manual manipulation. I can't just go in and go with it. Here you go, yeah, mate. Here's a couple of extra tickets for you. I can't do that, right? So let's let's look at Tilray. Why can't I see Tilray? It's just moving again. Oh, that's why. Oh, it's going down again. 742, 741. The drones dropped Bill off. I'm not a big Love Island fan, but I'm also glad to have one with me. How are you? Is Ali Isles here? Here he is. Here he is, Ali Isles. Ali Isles. We've just released our very last competition video giveaway. There's IonQ at the end of the show. If you want to be in our giveaway, it's tomorrow, $125. Here it is. Here's our very last video, and we're giving away an amazing number of tickets. Scroll to the bottom of the competition, and you'll see what you've got to do with this video here. All right, it's the last one. The competition is tomorrow. Very exciting. All right. IonQ earnings coming up in just a moment. Paddy and Ale, your fans are waiting for you, Ali. There you go. That is cool. Give him a ticket. AI took over the drones and Bill had to coral them. That's right. Ali, you? Yeah. Here he is. He's got his own bloody catchphrase. Hello, everyone. 9:42 a.m. here. I'm not going to argue this time. Last time, I was going, that can't be right. And he's going, well, I am here. I am actually here in Hawaii. What are you doing? You're just on some silly show on YouTube. What do you know? You're in Texas. I'm actually here. And I was going, can't be that many hours behind. I thought it was Pacific time. I did, which is 2 hours behind. I'm Central. Then there's Mountain. And then there's Pacific, right? And I thought it's Pacific. Well, it ain't. It's another couple of hours in the middle of the ocean. Flipping hell. Hawaii's confusing me. Right. How are you, Bill? Bill's all right, isn't you, Bill? Rivian. Oh, Rivian's going down now. A lot of opportunities here. Aloha, Stephen. How's the holiday? How are you, Bill? Lucid. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's. Coca-Cola. J&J. Google trimming off. Microsoft. Walmart, Tesco, NextEra, Energy, Enphase, Tilray, 242, down 12%. We need to know about Tilray. We got 15 minutes to go. It's not good enough watching this collapse. I've just bought more. Their earnings was good. I'm surprised it's gone down like this. Okay, there's got to be a reason. Tilray, let me research it. Tilray stock. Tilray stock. Let's have a look. Trying to find something on the wires that's a little bit more than just general yah-yah. I wish they'd put dates on. Does anyone know how to add a widget or or something to make the posts give you a date on Google? Hexo Court announces receipt of interim order in respect of arrangement with Tilray Brands. The company expects that the management will inform circulation related materials and inspectors. Okay, that's nothing new there. Tilray Brands falls on Tuesday, underperforms market. Yeah, we know that, but why? 15 minutes ago, Spring Chicken deep in the money. Can't see anything specific. ET looks interesting. We're talking about ET the alien. I can't see anything what's going on today with Tilray specifically. Nothing's jumping out at me. I don't know if anyone can see anything. We'll keep looking. I don't see anything yet. Anyway, 242. Certainly going down like a flipping stone, isn't it? Down 3% now. Crazy thing is that I had my average of Tilray at 242. Lucky I sold this morning when I did. Yes. Please don't get Hawaiian pizza. Oh, I love Hawaiian pizza. What's wrong with that? Hope all got banked today. Ed Nevius. Here he is. Here's the man of the hour. Ed Nevius, the man tomorrow. I just made a video on you, Ed Nevius. Did you see it? And it even did your name in the text. Ed Nevius. The AI got it spot on. Look, there's the video. Our last competition on the competition page. Have you entered the competition, by the way, Ed? You should have done. I hope you have. Just for the tickets. Just for the hell of it. There you go. Hi, Mike, Eric, Bill, Ali, MSK, T.O., Maut, Deep in the Money, and Martin. Hello, how are you, Stephen Lewandowski? He missed one out. He went alt flutter as well, right at the end. Morning, Steve. Right, okay, we've got 10 minutes to go. The S&P is coming up. We are looking. How much money have I lost with Tilray now? How much money? I'm down 30 bucks. That's the reality of it. I'm actually down $32 because I bought it so low and then I bought it back even lower. So I'm actually only down $32. You could argue, sell it, you're down 32 bucks and walk away. Forget it. I mean, you could argue that. Anyway. I want to win Kindling. I want to win. Wish you all luck tomorrow, Ed. Thank you so much for everything you've done. We'll talk about it tomorrow and thank you tomorrow properly and everything else. But Ed, it's been a tremendous competition. It's by far the most successful competition we've done, from people that have entered to actions, the fun we've had with it. It's been great. It's been great to promote the channel. It's been a lot of fun, and most importantly, somebody here is going to win a really, really, really great prize. But by the way, Eric, I said to Ed, I want to sit in, so I get it for free. Right, I get it for free. I don't have to win it. I'm just going to gate crash the phone call. Whenever he phones you up and says, right, lesson number 1, I'm going to go, oh, hang on. I want to listen in. I want to listen in on the call. So, yeah, don't think it's just you and Ed in a cozy little conversation. I'm going to gate crash it. No one else can gate crash it, but I'm going to gate crash it. And I'm going to listen in for free because I want to know what's going on. Posted some on general chat on Discord. Flutter edits, excellent stuff. Let me go and have a look. General chit chat. So you didn't post it in. You didn't post it in the right place. You know, links for YouTube. You thought, nah, I can't be bothered to do that. I can't be bothered to do links for YouTube. I'll just stick it where I want. U.S. Senate committee holds marijuana banking hearing. Aha! This is why. A key Senate committee is convening on Thursday to discuss marijuana banking issues and bipartisan legislation that seek to resolve the industry's financial... Members of the Senate committee won't be taking any votes at the hearing, which is titled Examining Cannabis, but a focal point will be the Secure and Fair Enforcement, a Safe Banking Act. Hey, Nitz Farrell, done a super chat. Hey, this is good. This is good information. So the meeting and the committee are convening. It's happening. So this could be the sell-off before the pump. This is what happened with Virgin Galactic. It goes down to go up. Nitz Farrell, thank you so much indeed for the super chat, mate. Appreciate that very much. Look at that. Look at that for a great super chat. I really appreciate it. Let me do a celebration. Oh, yeah. Celebration time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Thank you very much indeed. Cheer, I love it. It's a super chat. There we go. Thank you for that, Nitz. Excellent stuff. Brilliant. I'm a star. You are a star. You deserve to be celebrated. Absolutely right. Thank you so much for that. Awesome stuff. Pay my dues to the day trader. Yes, indeed. See martynlucas.com/tip just over there. If you want to do a crypto tip, you can, and it lights up the same way as a super chat. If you prefer to send crypto, you can do it that way as well. All right, Tilray Brands. We've got 9 minutes to go. This is, can I get this out? Can I get this out? Oh, that's a lot of information. I can do it. What's the time? 8 minutes. I can do it. Okay. We've got, this is what, 9 more, we get a song. Help out. 9 more, you get a song. Yeah, 9 more. Let me do this then. Let's see if I can get this as Tilray, because everyone's watching it now. Right. Okay, we'll do it. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Tilray Brands almost down to its bottom price at 218. I've just doubled my position. I was down about 4.5%, 5%, 6%, and I've just doubled down, and now I'm down 2.8%. You can see it there on the screen. What's going on? Well, we've got the Senate committee convening today, and this is a typical thing that happens when they start, when something could be about to happen. It makes sense to sell it, dump it, take a profit. It goes all the way back down. You buy it cheaper, and then it pops up. That's what could happen. That's not a guaranteed fact, but it's what could happen. Shall we have a closer look at it and read the news very, very quickly? We've got to be quick. We're on a live show right now, so please subscribe. Excuse me, ring the bell, smash the like button, all that good stuff, and join us here tomorrow for our best ever giveaway. Click up there, it'll take you to our giveaway page, martynlucas.com. Tomorrow, live on the show, we're giving away $125 and 15 hours of training. Let's do this quickly. This is what's going on with the Senate. A key U.S. Senate committee is convening right now to discuss marijuana banking issues and bipartisan legislation that seeks to resolve the industry's unique financial challenges. This is what we're waiting for Tilray. When this happens, we've got a $40 stock. Members of the Senate Banking Committee won't be taking any votes at the hearing, which is titled Examining Cannabis Banking Challenges of Small Businesses and Workers. But a focal point will be the Secure and Fair Enforcement Safe Banking Act. We talk about it a lot on our show. Other witnesses will be other witnesses will be representatives of cannabis regulators of Coalition CRCC, the United Food and Commercial Workers International Union, Dama Financial and Smart Approaches to Marijuana. Kat Packer, a former Los Angeles cannabis regulator who now serves as the vice chair of CRCC and as Director of Drug Markets and Legal Regulation at the Drug Policy DPA, said in written testimony that advocates are encouraged by several new common sense provisions focused on promoting fairness that were incorporated into the latest version of the bill. We know it's coming, but when is it coming? It's happened in Europe, Germany, America, Canada. It's coming, but when? And that's what's important. Is it time to be in the stock? So those changes include extending legal protections to community development financial institutions and minority depository institutions that work with marijuana businesses. However, more can and should be done to ensure that all communities have the opportunity to benefit from this limited but critical reform, she said. Fortunately, with a few additional minor and technical amendments, the Safe Banking Act could be significantly improved means to promote fair access to banking for these participating in the hemp and cannabis market. So it's optimistic, right? Packer specifically proposed adding language that would ensure that prior marijuana convictions do not trigger automatic red flags for financial accounts that signal possible criminal activity. She also said that the Safe Banking Act should require updated guidance from financial regulators so that banks have clear guidelines to follow when serving the cannabis industry, and that individuals who have been impacted by past cannabis criminalization are not unfairly penalized. We saw what President Biden did earlier on in the year. In fact, I think it was last year now, wasn't it? Without this type of change, cannabis criminal records will continue to be a significant barrier towards participation in state legal marijuana industries, disproportionately impacting black and brown entrepreneurs and undermining state efforts to address barriers associated with cannabis criminal records, Packer said. Just wrapping up now, further, she said that while the bill requires an analysis on barriers to access to financial services for the marijuana industry, it should be bolstered with updated regulatory guidance on best practices for banks to follow. And finally, also in the interest in enhancing information sharing between regulators and financial institutions, Packer said that the legislation should be amended to establish process for financial institutions to follow, including best practices to promote fairness when providing financial services, including processes, payments to state-sanctioned marijuana businesses and hemp-related legitimate businesses. So, are we going to get it passed? I believe we are. If I didn't think we were, I wouldn't be investing in this stock. It would make absolute no sense. But you've got to be patient. The question is, though, could we make more money with our money elsewhere? Well, we probably could. Right now, you could have it just earning 4.5% in uninvested cash on Robinhood. But I've just bought some more. I think we're about the bottom. If you look at it over the last year, it kind of just trades sideways. I mean, it's down slightly, but you can see it's pretty much, let me go over to this screen here now, look, pretty much going sideways since last May. Since May last year, look, it's just been going sideways. Pretty much. So you could argue the case, this is the bottom. That doesn't mean it is, of course, but there's plenty of money on hand for Tilray, so I think they've got a good future. It's just whether you've got the patience for it when you could be making more money elsewhere. I've doubled my position. I've got quite a bit now. It's very weighted, 8% in my Roth, and I've got a good position in my brokerage account. So what do you think? Are you in Tilray Brands? Is it a buy for you? Are you in? Are you out? Join us tomorrow for the big competitions. Time to ring the bell now. We're on a live show making this video. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there it is. So we're down to the bell. We've got a few seconds to go. And we're getting ready. And just a few seconds to go now. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, as sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Let's ring the bell. There you go. Excellent stuff. Sensei Crypto is ringing the bell today. The bell has now gone, and let's see how the stocks progress from here. Tilray is still dropping down. It's at 242. I've got an average of 250 now. Let's see where it goes. Okay, Musk stepping down as Twitter CEO. Is he? About bloody time. Okay, that's interesting news. Right, we've got to end the show right on the bell. We've got no time for anything else because IonQ is out now. The IonQ earnings is literally about to begin. Let me refresh the screen. It may already be on the screen. Tilray brand is going up. Tilray brand is going up as we speak. Tilray Brands is going up. Look at that. I bought just at the right time. Is this the beginning of it just bouncing back today? I doubled my position. That's encouraging. It's not much. However, I'll take it. Right, IonQ. We've got to get out of here because we are on IonQ in literally a couple of moments from now. Here is the link. Join us for IonQ earnings. It literally starts the call in half an hour, and I've got to get over there and start the new stream. So I'm going to get off straight away. IonQ is now up 1% in the after hours. Very nice indeed. That's it from me. I'm going to play some music very quickly to get out of here. We've got some credit to celebrate because we got some extra tips. It's the after hours pump. It's real. Okay, let's have a quick look and end screen. I've got to get out of here. We do have a very quick turnaround tonight. Thank you for that, IonQ. Quantum computers, they've got to do things fast, right? Here we go. Roll the credits. We should have some credits tonight. Stars of the show. Thanks for your support. Donor Eric B gave me $1.99 on a crypto tip tonight. martynlucas.com/tip. And Nitz Varel did a super chat. Thank you so much indeed for that. Thank you for your support. All the money I get runs this studio, goes into it. I take nothing from myself. 100% of the money I earn goes into all of this for you to try to bring you the best live studio, the best service, live all the time for you all the time. Excellent stuff. That's it for me. See you back in a couple of minutes for IonQ. I've got to go. It's a very fast turnaround. Take care of your money. Take care of your crypto. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you back as quick as I can get there. Bye-bye for now.